Okay, hello and welcome back. So this is the old PSC pump, the central locking pump. As you can see, this motor is burned. I took it off. As well, you can see the screwdriver. There's burn damage on this place in here, and it's gone basically. As you can see, all these wires are melted together. Anyway, why I took it apart, it didn't work, obviously. And the first point was that I take it apart to see can I change out this motor, because there are on sale different new brand motors which you can change out, but apparently that won't solve our problem because this plate is gone. Anyway, now I have a new used one from Poland, thanks to some good friends of, and I'm going to install this. Let's see if we can fix this central locking problem in this place. Or we have another bad part, I don't know, because you never know if you buy used parts which you can get. So let's unpack this. Get it out from here. Definitely has motor inside. I can feel it. I have to take those off because I don't need those. We do this part, how to take those hose clamps off. So pretty much, as you can see, this one is already removed, and here is the old one. There are tabs both sides, as well here, and you put the screwdriver here and another one inside here, and you gently push them back. This one you push inside, this one you push inside, like this side, this side, this side. Same process on the other side. Be careful, you can't break those things, they are really brittle. So to make this installation easier, I used a small silicone spray to make sure those hoses fit in. Make sure you hear the clamp click. So it is holding. The last and final part will be the connectors. So I got the new pump connected. Instantly, once I connected the speed connector, it made a motor sound. So I guess it's maybe working. Make sure that everything fits. Seems to be okay. So we deleted all the rubber goods. Let's see. I don't know how well you can see, but we have locked doors. Every side works. As well as this suite. It opens. It didn't pop up, which is interesting, but I think it doesn't matter right now. Still have a problem with this one, fuel cap. I don't know what's happened here. It was before as well, locked in or shut, or something has been happened here. Let's see, maybe later. Anyway, let's close this trunk. Watch this side. Oh, the lock mechanism popped out. So we have something to unlock. It's went away. So this is something in plastic what doesn't have to be here, I think. Interesting. Well, I take care of this. At least I know this locking system seems to be working, which is sweet. So basically the problem solved. As well, what I have done, I did install brand new tires. so I am not rocking anymore with 2003 tires. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and see you on this next one. Bye.